everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration what to build with Lego bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from Lego. This one is 40276. It came at around, was it April? Yeah, it was April. April 2018, and it's a frog. And not just that, it's a frog prince. Does that seem familiar to you? Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with a blue 6x4 base plate. What's this going to be? It's going to be the water, of course. And a inverted roof tile piece. This is the too long one. There will be a lot of these, so if you want to call it something else, call it something else, but I always go with the old favourite of calling it an inverted roof tile piece, and we're going to go with 4 of them as well, just the small variety, and in yellow. This frog is green and yellow, so if I was going to make a frog, I would make it green, but here we've got green and yellow, which isn't bad, it's just different, you know. Anyway, another one of these pieces over here, so it's symmetrical. And now we're gonna bring in some long roof tiles. This is the 3 long versions, and we're gonna stick them all along here. So this gives it the kind of profile of the bent legs, which I find is especially nice. Now we're gonna turn it around because we're gonna bring a 1x2 tile and 2 of these cheese slopes. I can't figure why they didn't do double cheese slopes. There's just single cheese slopes over here, but you can use double after all. It's flexible designs, Lego. Anyway, we're gonna turn it right back around. Oh, hang on, right back around again. And a roof tile piece in green, because what else can we expect? Now we're gonna turn it around so we can do the legs. Now these pieces are going to be used, these kind of new kind of leaf pieces, although here they uses the front feet of the frog. And now we're going to need some tubular pieces and single round studs, 4 of them. So we put tubular piece on the stud on top, and we do the same with this, like so, and then we put these kind of stalks on top of these leaf pieces, and we're gonna stick them underneath this chest piece, like so. Now we're gonna bring in some more of those inverted roof tiles in yellow again. Gonna make a bit more of the chest because they like to croak, don't they? And it's down to the really big extent of the chest that they make such nice sounds, and the big vocal cords. More roof tile pieces. These are the 1x2 versions over here. More of these inverted roof tile pieces in yellow, and a 2x3 base plate all over here. And now we need more roof tile pieces. Gosh, this is gonna provide a lot of green roof tile pieces. And these what do you call these again? Oh yeah, side attachment bricks, but slightly inset. I've got plenty of them. And we're gonna give the frog eyes, nice googly eyes. So 1 on here and 1 on here, like so. And now we're gonna add a jumper plate for our jumper frog on top. It looks a bit weird now, like that. That's because we need to give the mouth. So a sliding door plate, but in red. That's something new, isn't it? A 1x2 base plate over here, and more cheese slopes on top here. See, like so. And we're gonna stick it over here. He's like sticking his tongue out at you. I'm a frog. Oh, I'm not just a frog, I'm a king frog. So I need a crown, which is a jewel piece, gold jewel piece, crystal piece, something like that, on its head. And we're gonna put some pondweed in the pond that he's sitting in. So one over here and one over here, and there we have it. That's our frog done. It is very simple build, and it uses very simple pieces, which is a very good plus side on when you're building something out of Lego, is that you don't need all of those special pieces to make something that looks good. Now, this obviously needs to stick on a base plate, but we're gonna go the hassle of taking off the base plate. Oh, right, the legs fall off. Just a bit of hassle with that, but once we're done, then the frog is now off the pond. We can put the pond aside if you like, and then you can jump about, I'm a frog, I like to jump. Yes, anyway. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you, and until next time, happy building!